Wondering how to activate the portable hotspot on your Samsung phone? Follow our step-by-step guide in this video. Step 1. Open Control Center, touch and hold a mobile hotspot. You will see some information like the name of the network, the password. You can always change the password anytime. Step 2. Tap on Configure, change the name, the password of the network, choose your band. 5 GHz is recommended because it will be a faster and more stable connection. But when you choose 5 GHz, devices that don't support 5 GHz won't be able to find or connect the hotspot. In that case you can drop it back to 2.4 GHz. Step 3. Tap Advanced. You can change the time at section, turn off when no device connected for. When you're done, tap Save. Step 4. Turn on a mobile hotspot to share your Wi-Fi network. Note: if you can't enable mobile data, please check if your device has APN settings configured. For details, watch Gigago's video, How to Set Up APN on Samsung Devices, in the description below. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this video useful, subscribe Gigago channel to watch our next videos.